Navika Agarwal, along with my classmates, wishing you a very auspicious morning to our most honorable Chairman Sir, Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, and my dear friends.
I, Kritika, standing in front of you to present a virtual assembly on self-discipline is the best discipline, as our school begins with the prayer of the creator of this world, I mean God. So, dear friends, let's start with prayer for that supreme authority.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
New thought, new strength, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call my friend for thought of the day. Namaskar everyone. Today I, Navika Agarwal, in front of you will present the thought. A disciplined mind leads to happiness and the undisciplined mind leads to suffer. These words are said by the Dalai Lama. Thank you.
How many of you read news in the morning? Today, I know now most of you could not. But don't worry, we have brought you current happenings. So, to enlighten us with happenings, I would like to call our news readers.
Namaskar to my dear teachers and to my dear friends. Today I, Ananya Kanpal of grade 5th Eklavya is here to tell you some news headlines. International news. China says preparation for WHO visits to study origins for COVID-19 ongoing. Brazilian President Bolsonaro asked PM Modi to speed up COVID-19 vaccine shipment. Iran leader bans import of US and UK made coronavirus vaccines. Twitter permanently bans Trump from platform. Trump will be first outgoing president to skip inauguration in 152 years. Now it's time for some sports news. In third test match between India and Australia, Australia Titans snooze in 197-run lead over India on day 3. Jadeja suffers injury and taken for scans, unlikely to bowl. I am fine, says Saurav Ganguly after being discharged from hospital. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Rhymes refreshes our mind. So, I would like to call my friend for a lovely Hindi poem, Ek Banenge, Nek Banenge.
बनेंगे पोया। एक बनेंगे नेक बनेंगे, आज कसम हम खाते हैं, अपने विद्यालय के नियम हम अवश्य ही पालेंगे। एक बनेंगे नेक बनेंगे, आज कसम हम खाते हैं, अपने विद्यालय के नियम हम अवश्य ही पालेंगे। समय बड़ा ही मूल्यवान है, इसको हम ना भूलेंगे, सही समय कक्षा पहुंचकर हम आसमां छू लेंगे।
विद्यालय जब जाएंगे हम सज सवर कर जाएंगे, टिफिन बॉक्स और वाटर बॉटल साथ में अपने लाएंगे। हम अच्छे बच्चे हैं, करते मेल मिलाप प्रण करता हूँ। नेक बनेंगे अपने आज कसम हम खाते हैं, अपने विद्यालय के नियम अब हम अवश्य ही पालेंगे। गुरुजनों को आदर करके शिष्टाचार निभाएंगे, ज्ञान ध्यान अर्जित कर हम सच्चा सुख हम पाएंगे। पुस्तक कभी न भूलेंगे, रखेंगे सदस्य में का ध्यान, होमवर्क भी करें। Life will sometimes feel like a fight. The punches, caps and hooks will come in the form of challenges, obstacles and failures. Yet, if you stay in the ring and learn from those past fights, at the end of each round, you will be still standing. Now, I would like to call my friend to share his view on the topic self-discipline is the best discipline.
A very pleasant good morning to respected director ma'am, chairman sir, principal ma'am, worthy teachers and my all dear friends. Today I, Radhi Sharma of class 5th Eklavya is here to present a short speech on the topic self-discipline is the best discipline. Well, we all are aware of this word discipline. Let's know more about it and its importance in our life. To be guided by rules, to pay due regard to elders and superior officers, to obey them and to behave in an orderly manner. All this come under the term discipline. Discipline is necessary in all walks of life, whether at school or at home, in the office or in the factories, in the playground or in the battlefield. Discipline is necessity. Discipline is good thing and there is no evil in it. It builds character, develops strength and unity and fosters cooperation. Therefore, it is necessary that everyone should be taught discipline from their childhood. It should be never ignored as it is the secret of success in life. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
The students from 5 Eklavya are going to rock on stage. They have done really hard work. They have put their soul and heart together to make this really happen. I am sure that you are going to praise and appreciate it well right from my heart. So please welcome our dancers.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट हाउस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल बनने दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे कस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है अलग अंदाज है जैसे छिड़ता कोई साज है हर काम को टाला करते हैं ये सपने पाला करते हैं ये हरदम सोचा करते हैं ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं क्यों दुनिया का नारा चले रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा चले रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो.
Confidence comes from discipline and training. Now, I would like to call our friends to recite English poem. Every day across the sky, the sun moves east to west.
Namaskar to my dear teachers and to my dear friends. Today I, Ananya Kanpal of grade 5th Eklavya is here to sing a song on topic self-discipline. Every day across the sky the sun moves east to west. Every night the moon appears in ways we can predict. Every moment of the stars, everything is ordered. The great creator ordered everything in nature. Discipline, self-discipline, putting my life in order. Discipline, self-discipline, I will take control. What I say, what I do, what I spend and what I use. With self-discipline, I learn to take control of everything I choose. I'll take control of everything I choose. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Every day across the sky the sun moves to west. Every night the moon appears in the ways we can predict. Every movement of the stars, everything is ordered. The great creator ordered everything in nature. Discipline, self-discipline, putting my life in order. Discipline, self-discipline, I will take control. What I say, what I do, what I said and what I use. With self-discipline, I learn to take control of everything I do. To take control.
We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret and disappointment. By this code, we are dispersing our virtual assembly. Thank you for joining this beautiful virtual assembly.